Foundations of HR, Staffing, Motivation and Leadership. This presentation explores the core pillars of human resources, effective staffing, understanding employee motivation, and cultivating strong leadership. We'll delve into key theories and practical applications essential for every business student and early career manager. Agenda: Navigating People Management 01. 02. Staffing Functions, Motivation Theories. From recruitment to retention, securing the right talent. Unlocking employee drive and engagement. 03. 04. Leadership Styles, Key Takeaways and Next Steps. Inspiring and guiding teams to success. Applying these principles in your. The scope of staffing functions. Staffing is the process of acquiring, deploying, and retaining a workforce of sufficient quantity and quality to create positive impacts on the organization's effectiveness. It's more than just hiring, it's a strategic process. Workforce planning. Analyzing current and future talent needs. Recruitment. Attracting qualified candidates. Selection. Choosing the best fit. Onboarding. Integrating new employees smoothly. Training and development. Enhancing skills and growth. Performance management. Evaluating and improving employee contribution. Retention. Understanding what drives people. Theories of motivation. Motivation is the key to unlocking employee potential and fostering a productive work environment. Various theories offer insights into the complex nature of human drive. Theory X, Theory Y, and Theory Z. Theory X, Theory Y, Theory Z. Assumption. Employees are inherently lazy, dislike work, and need to be coerced and controlled to achieve organizational objectives. Assumption. Employees are self-motivated, enjoy work, seek responsibility, and can be creative in problem-solving. Assumption. Focuses on increasing employee loyalty to the company by providing a job for life, with a strong focus on the well-being of the employee, both at work and outside of it. Implication. Participative management style, delegation, and empowerment. Implication. Authoritarian management style, strict rules, and close supervision. Implication. Long-term employment, consensual decision-making, and collective. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow's theory suggests that people are motivated to fulfill basic needs before moving on to other, more advanced needs. In an organizational context, managers can motivate employees by understanding which needs are currently unmet. Physiological. Basic needs like salary, breaks, safety, job security, safe working conditions. Social. Teamwork, positive relationships, belonging. Esteem. Recognition, responsibility, promotion. Self-actualization, growth, creativity, skill development. Guiding teams to peak performance. Leadership styles. Effective leadership is about more than just giving orders, it's about inspiring, guiding, and empowering individuals and teams to achieve shared goals. Different situations call for different approaches. Common leadership styles. Autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire. Leaders make decisions independently, suitable for quick decisions in crises. Leaders involve team members in decision-making. Fosters engagement and creativity. Leaders provide minimal guidance, allowing employees autonomy. Best for highly skilled and self-directed teams. Transformational, situational. Leaders inspire and motivate employees to innovate and grow. Focuses on vision and individual development. Leaders adjust their style based on the team's readiness and task demands. Highly adaptable and effective. Choosing the right style. There's no one-size-fits-all leadership style. The most effective leaders are often those who can adapt their approach to suit the specific context, team members, and organizational goals. Consider employee experience and skill level. More experienced teams may thrive with less direct supervision. Urgency of decisions. Crises often demand a more autocratic approach. Organizational culture. Some cultures prefer collaborative leadership. Task complexity. Complex tasks may require more structured. Key takeaways and next steps. HR as a strategic partner. Understand your people. Lead with purpose. Develop adaptability in your leadership style, recognizing that situational awareness is key to inspiring and guiding diverse teams. Effective staffing, motivation, and leadership are not just HR functions, they are strategic imperatives for organizational success. Leverage motivation theories to create environments where employees feel valued, engaged, and driven to contribute their best. Action item. Reflect on your current workplace or team. Which theories resonate most, and how?